This is Zoe. She's had Sloppy Joe in her mouth for over 5 minutes. She will not swallow. And she cannot have her donut till she swallows. Zoe, do you want your donut?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you gotta eat it. Zoe, I'm gonna eat your donut. Don't play. Just swallow and then you can have your donut. Smell it. Don't you want to eat it? Okay, then eat it.
Okay.
Yay! Now eat your donut. Yeah, get it. 5 minutes of chewing. Is that better than your Sloppy Joe? Zoe, tell me what you're eating. What is that?
Do it.
Yep, donut. Look at me. Do this. There you go. Thumbs up. Good girl. Zoe, count to 5. Say 1,
1,
2.
3,
Then what?
4, 5.
Good girl.